We are making a roasted beet and vegetable salad. If you saw my butternut squash salad that I did a couple days ago, I only used half of the Swiss chard, so the other half of the bunch is what I'm gonna be using for this. So it's basically got half a bunch of rainbow chard that I washed and cut up into pieces, decent sized pieces, and then you are gonna roast some veggies, some carrots, some onions, and you could roast some beets. I personally don't like messing with beets, and so I've found an alternative so that you don't actually have to handle the beets. So my carrots and my onions, I went ahead and threw in the oven and I roasted those, and I just put a little bit of salt and pepper and olive oil on the tray to roast those. And then Superfood Q has this awesome beetroot salad, and that's what I'm gonna be using today because this actually has carrots, beets, all kinds of stuff in it, and it's gonna enhance the flavor of not only the beets, but the salad itself. These are super easy to use if you haven't already tried them. You take out the oxygen absorber, you take out your fork, and then you pour a cup of water into it, and you set it aside. They're dehydrated, they're vegan. You can eat them, they're like meals ready, like on the go, but I'm gonna use it for this. So I took a 1/4 cup of pistachios and just rough cut them and put them in a skillet with about 1/2 of a tablespoon of fennel seeds, organic fennel seeds, and then I toasted those. So you don't want those to burn, so make sure you watch them as they're toasting and then set them aside and let those cool, all right? And then for your dressing, you are going to take some organic apple cider vinegar, some honey mustard, and then 1/2 of an orange, and you're going to mince a garlic clove. So you mince your garlic, you put it in your bowl, add in your teaspoon of honey mustard and your tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then squeeze 1/2 an orange into this, and that's what's gonna give you your dressing that we're gonna put on top, all right? And then zest some of the edge of the orange into your nut mixture with the fennel seeds. It tastes so good. So you take your Swiss chard, you put in your roasted veggies, and then you are going to just top it with your nuts. Our beetroot salad is ready. So I'm just gonna pour that in there. And you guys, if you have not tried Superfood Q's ready-made meals, they are amazing. This one is vegan, it's gluten-free, it's non-GMO, it's 15 grams of protein just in the beetroot salad. But now we're adding it to our salad mix, which is gonna add protein to this vegan dish. It does have peanuts in it though, so if you have a nut allergy, you'll wanna be aware of that ahead of time. But all that information is on her website at superfoodq.com, so you can check it out there. But look at the color, look how beautiful that is, and it just adds to that salad. And then we're gonna top it with our dressing. So I'll put that on there. You could serve this by itself as a side dish, as just a regular salad for lunch. Like I said, it's got 15 grams of protein by itself, but if you wanted to add a protein, you absolutely could do that. But there is your beetroot and roasted vegetable salad. Make it today, enjoy.